Magnum Xtreme Gummies claim to boost energy, stamina, and male performance, all in a tasty gummy form. But is it legit or just another fake supplement? The formula includes ingredients like tonkat ali, maca root, and L-arginine, known for supporting libido and vitality. Some users report increased energy and better focus, while others say they notice nothing. Pros: easy to take, natural ingredients, no major side effects. Cons: expensive for gummies, and results vary from person to person. It's not FDA approved, so always consult your doctor before use, especially if you have health issues or take medication. So, is Magnum Xtreme Gummies worth it? Not a total scam. It uses real ingredients, but don't expect miracles. If you're curious, try it with realistic expectations. If this helped you decide, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.